Agile.Now is designed for IT teams who build software applications on the OutSystems platform. It provides tools for unifying development processes across multiple teams in your organization. Agile.Now streamlines the OutSystems digital factories functions and processes by tying together existing tools, reducing manual work, and improving the quality of your deliverables. Overall, Agile.Now scales up the productivity of teams working on low-code projects throughout the entire execution process from software design, specification, development, testing, to deployment and production. Our promise is that you can begin your next project from the safe essential level within just a few hours. Agile.Now has been tested with over 500 applications and has been proven to work efficiently to provide high-quality results. DevOps leverages visibility and traceability across all the stages of the project, ensuring high-quality deliverables and speed to market, yet a lower cost. This helps you increase productivity, stability, and traceability throughout the Agile development process. Enable continuous delivery at higher quality with an improved level of professionalism. Communicate in an aligned manner between teams about ideas, processes, and technologies. Reduce effort and cost. Using multiple tools that do not communicate with each other results in additional manual work at each project stage. Agile.Now provides a centralized approach to connect these tools together and streamline processes at all stages of the project. If you have a big team working on application development and delivery, the need for built-in governance becomes even more important. Thousands of companies use the OutSystems low-code platform to develop applications following an Agile method. There are only a handful of organizations that have successfully realized OutSystems benefits and been able to automate their processes seamlessly across all teams. It's all about streamlining software development processes so that you and your team can quickly create quality applications that enable your company and your customers to create a better tomorrow. There is no tool like Agile.Now on the market that connects your project management tool, BDD, and automation tests, the OutSystems platform, and your people together. Download Agile.Now DevOps from OutSystems Forge and rise to a new level with your Agile process. You can enjoy the benefits already today.